everywhere I've gone, I've always had to get a new patch test, which would be like, I don't know, it's normally 2 days. You can't really book anything. And when they were like, oh, a passport, and I thought, oh, well, if everybody could just do this and then you don't have to do a patch test everywhere you go, that would just be so handy.
In the sort of need for patch testing, I would be very unlikely to go somewhere that doesn't accept Colourstart now, I think. I just wouldn't, I'd probably struggle to find time and inclination to go in 48 hours before and arrange a patch test. It's just too inconvenient.
I find it very straightforward and easy to use.
But actually, I found the process really easy. I found like it felt, yeah, really simple to do. All of the questions were really easy to answer. And like, you know, just checking and making sure that it's still okay. And yeah, I've had absolutely no problems with Colourstart.
Once I downloaded the app and then realised there was no hassle with it and stuff, I just thought, oh, actually, that's really good.